Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new YouTuber on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. Today's video title is how to on the aeroplane mode and what's its uses. So let us start our video. Firstly open the setting in your mobile phone. So here you will see the aeroplane mode. Activate this mode. Here you will see activate airplane mode. So its uses is calls and message notification will be disabled when your aeroplane mode is activate, and your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi will also be off, and but you can again on while you need. I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.